Happy Starfaces with nothing! We're officially married, and today is the first day.
Beautiful chaos.
And we're going to
Chaos.
the store to get clothes dry cleaned so that they're quality for our next wedding in Australia.
Australia, see you.
And then, we're gonna move all of our stuff
Today.
today to our new house. That's all.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Welcome to our house.
our new house.
Yes, we have a new bed. I just wanted to make so. Let's see. I think it's quality. Let's see. Oh, it's working.
Oh, that's a good start.
It's a good start. So,
Now, sure, before we put anything in, this is the
don't show me on the camera. I'm shy there.
whatever.
Just kidding.
This is the
What do you call
sala,
it? Yeah, this is the sala.
or the living room, as foreigners call it. Where you chill lang.
Where the guests can sit, you know, they can just stop and chill, whatever.
Then this is the where we eat,
That is our table.
and then this is the kitchen, fridge, stove. Yeah,
Everything.
like that. Then our
Our
bathroom,
bathroom. Then
shower.
a shower. Oh, amazing! We have bucket here and shower.
Nice one.
So just even, okay? Just even.
Then we have our
This is our bed.
bedroom. Yep, nice one. And AC, nice covered space here. And then mirror, outfit of the day.
Oh, yeah.
We're only two people. But not to see. And that's it for now. You have anything to say?
We were starting a vlog called Suman Forever. So you guys should subscribe us and watch our video. I may not look interested, but let's see on the future, okay? What we can do, what can make you happy, how we can inspire you and motivate you in life. Alright? And that's it.
Hi everyone, welcome to our house. This is our people of the world, Holy Nation. And these are Connect Group people. This is Lanja.
Hoy, bilang yan, huwag mong gusto.
Diana.
Pakita mo si Dari. Sakit ng ulsa na
And John, ganda mo! Titin. Bella. Abby.
Punong-puno.
Stacy.
Punong-puno na yan.
And Disco! Ano yan? And Arnold.
Hey, what's up to our vlog? Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Where are we?
We're in Bureau of Immigration. Plaza Sophie's paper. Extender visa, tourist visa. But she's not a tourist here anymore. She's been here for a long time. So, let's see.
Guys, I'm a bit shy these days. Sorry about that. I don't know what to say. Yeah.
She's just shy. Shy type. Choppy shy type.
So today we're processing all of our papers and we're getting a COVID test because they want to go on our honeymoon on Thursday. So yeah, come along on the ride with us.
Yes, Baraka, see you soon.
We're really bad at vlogging. And we didn't vlog anything that we did today. We're back in our crib, and here's my husband eating Krispy Kreme. Yum.
Yummy. Masarap. Masarap.
So I'm gonna try and speak in my Australian accent today because everyone always makes fun of me when I speak in the accent.
I can hold it for you if you want.
Okay.
Is it good?
Look at it like that. So first today we got my we have 3 things to do today. 1, renew my beanbag. Check. Second, we got barangay ID to say that I live in the Philippines. Check. Last one is we need to get a COVID test so that we can go to Boracay on Thursday. But that's not done yet, so we're gonna eat lunch first. But first, let me take a look. So this is our updated house tour because last time we didn't have anything in here. But so when you walk in, this is what you see. It's a very plain wall. We need to put something here. This is someone. So on your right, we have our we have our jacket.
Your flowers, show your flowers to them.
My flowers are meant to be what do you call this? Dry flowers. I don't know what to do with it now.
Is it dry already?
I think so. And then we have our stool from our wedding that Armin stood on so he could kiss me. And then we have a table here with our masks and candy, and then keys, and then over here we have a desk which is usually messy, but I cleaned it yesterday when I was mad. And then yeah, and then here just accounts and
Imagine if they have picture there, right? Is it good? Just comment. If we have put some pictures here, just comment. If you say yeah, that would be nice.
yeah, that would be nice.
It's a good job.
And then over here we have this from our wedding. Very nice. Then our vows. And then this is our
Yes, picture.
kitchen. This is a few items we have. And some more items in here. And then some more things in our empty fridge.
Empty Lang pera.
This is our bed that's not been made yet. Unfortunately, Armin didn't make it this morning. And then that's some random stuff. And then all this is very messy, so let's not look too much in here. And then yeah. Oh, and then here's our bathroom. Yep, nice.
Hey, show my painting.
And then this is the painting.
That's not my painting.
This
my
is-
classmate.
Armin's friends, classmates, painting. Very nice. And then so right now we're just cooking some pancit canton. I'll make mine into an omelette.
Careful being
I'm gonna
safe.
just-
Pancit canton, okay?
Okay. Chili Mansi original. And then that's it. You have anything to say to the vlog?
Hey vlog, up me and Sophie, Soman Forever. We started a vlog now, so please subscribe and what do you call that? Click the notification button so that you will be updated if we have upload some
Okay,
videos
that's
1
enough.
month every time. 1 month, right? So that's it for
Favorite news. So we're here now to get out the live test.
yes. Honestly, Sophie is nervous. Yeah,
Of course.
but I feel like I'm not, so I'm the strongest. So, but
Well,
of course, try the best.
last time I got COVID test was positive.
But at this time, maybe not.
Maybe.
No COVID. Let's go to Boracay.
No.
Bawal, you cannot spit. Yeah.
So we have our tubes to put our saliva into. And
If-
let's roll.
But if it's like what do you call that? The other one, swab test. This is how it bakes. When you do swab test.
Look.
Joke lang. Joke lang. So, our games for today, race to fill up this saliva thing. No, you can. 3, 2, 1, go.
So Iron's kind of struggling here. This is basically all bubbles. Yuck, gross.
Almost done.
Dude, there's a lot of bubbles in there.
Oh.
Look. What do you want to see? That's gross.
We're done, babe.
Huh?
We're done.
So this is what they call where are we?
Marcos Highway.
Marcos Highway.
Marcos Highway.
Marcos Highway.
Say
And
that.
then we just finished getting our saliva test. How was it?
It's awesome, crazy. Earlier, I don't have enough saliva, but now I have a lot. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm overthinking. I'm scared. I don't know.
I don't know, but now it's done and now we're going home.
Heading home. See you, Boracay.
And that's a wrap. See you soon, Boracay. Sana.